Now that marijuana is legalized in many states in the US and many countries across the world, so many people ask me, how bad is smoking weed or eating gummies before you get pregnant? How bad is that for pregnancy? Well, a large study just was published that looked at some pretty significant side effects you should know about, mostly around your baby's brain development and future mental health. So it showed that there was a significant increased risk of mental health problems, ADHD, anxiety disorders, and so on. I won't go into the whole list for you, but do know that if you are going to use any cannabis products, be extra careful. You're much better off using just a straight CBD, which doesn't have the same impact if you're trying to manage anxiety or stress. Just remember, there are so many factors, small ones like using weed or cannabis, that can impact your overall fertility potential. Make sure that you're using our new app, Kirsten AI, so that you can get everything reviewed and get all the information that you need to make good decisions and optimize your fertility as fast as possible.